So this was my project over the last week. I've installed a solar panel, 350 watts of solar energy being pumped into my batteries. 4 AGM Odyssey. Specs. It's kind of hard to see. They're up there on top. And as you can tell, the sun is facing away from the solar panels. So they're not going to be putting out near as much energy as they would if it was high noon. 2.7. I just started charging. And 18 Celsius. I couldn't figure out a way to change that to Fahrenheit, so you guys got to do the conversions, probably about 70 degrees. There's the voltage. So, everything is Renogy, which is a relatively new company, so I don't know how long they're going to last. You know, could last a week, could last a lifetime, who knows. But altogether, wires, solar panels, my time, which, you know, you can't put value on your time when you're doing stuff like this yourself, probably around $1,000, $1,200. And then the batteries, I replaced them with the Odyssey, which originally I had Die Hard, and they were kind of junk for some reason. 2 sets in a year. I was kind of fed up with that. So this is what I've got. Wish me luck. It'll definitely keep me charged when I'm not in the truck. We'll see what happens once I'm actually in the truck again for a few weeks in cool areas. You know, when AC and heat's not needed, then the APU won't have to run as long as this can keep up. So we'll see how this works.